So hello achievers, I'm very glad to do this new video. This is David Laroche. I'm going to Los Angeles and I would like to answer a question that I received: how to create more and more opportunities. Um, and I choose to answer you in this plane because it's amazing for me to see the life I created in only few years, and it's amazing how it's possible to create an amazing life if you know how. So if you wonder how to create more opportunities, you have to understand that creating opportunities is the consequence of adding value to people. So the good question is not to how to create opportunities, is how can I add value to people? How can I use my strengths, my power to fulfill the need of people, the need of the world? And the more I use my strength to fulfill the need of people and the need of the world, the more I will receive value because of that. So it's the first thing: add value to people and wonder how can I add more and more and more via value. The second thing is to assume that you have a lot of power, because it's one thing to have power, it's another thing to be able to assume it and sell it. So second thing is to be able to say, yes, I'm brilliant in this field. It's humble to share the truth, to tell the truth, and say that you are brilliant. And the third thing is to create experiences. So speak to new people, do new things, go to a new restaurant, try new things, because you don't know what you don't know, and you don't know when will be the opportunities. So it can be in the street, it can be in your family, it can be in a restaurant, it can be anywhere. So if you create experiences, if you talk with people, if you go to read new things, you will have, it's empiric system, you will have more opportunities. The next thing is when you add value to people, when you um, create experiences, one of the things who create opportunities is your ability to be ready. A lot of people think that one day there will be an opportunity and it will be the day of their life. You have to understand that the opportunity is a consequence of a long work on yourself to be ready to use this opportunity. In fact, we have opportunity every day that we don't take it just because we are not ready. So the question is not about opportunities. The question is, are you ready to use and the opportunities you will have in your life? And for that, you create experiences, because the only goal of an experience is to help you to become someone better, to help you to unleash the new version of yourself. And if you do things not to achieve things, but to be able to become something new, someone new, you will have the answer. If every day you do new things in the direction of your dream, not to having results, but not to getting results, just to become someone new, someone who are able to do new things, someone who are able to speak differently, you'll have more opportunities. Just because I decided to train myself in English, um, I'm creating a space of new opportunities. So do new things, talk to people, assume your value, wonder how you can add value to people, and be ready, work on yourself and challenge yourself every day. So it was a pleasure to do this video. I'm very glad, and I see you soon in maybe here or maybe in another place in the world. I love you, and just to understand, you don't have to be a hero, just challenge yourself and be authentic to go to the next level. See you soon. Bye bye.
David Laroche is a motivational speaker and coach. The French newspaper La Province named him the Wonder Boy of self-confidence and recognized him as the youngest trainer of human behavior internationally. He has 6 million views on YouTube and gives more than 150 presentations per year and has interviewed more than 200 personalities on their success. David says it's possible and it starts now. It's not about what you know, it's all about how you apply what you know. Be bold, take action, just dare it.